Students, as revision is going on, today there will be revision from supplementary reader movement, and the first chapter is the last child. Students, in this chapter you have studied how a child is lost in a fair, and when he could not meet his parents, an unfamiliar person took him in his arms, and he wanted to console the child by giving the different items like sweets, toys, etc. But the child did not accept any of them, and he was only crying, "I want my mother, I want my father." Now students, see the story, how it starts. You have known that a child goes to a fair with his parents. While he was moving, while he was going to the fair with his parents, on the way, whatever things he saw, he was attracted to see them, and at some places he was staying for a while, watching those things that were on his way. While he was staying there, and the father and mother were moving forward, he was left behind. Then they were calling, "Come child, come." They were calling the child by saying, "Come child, come." Again the child was moving forward to join his parents. After some time, he reached the place where on both the sides of the way, toy shops were there. Many types of different types of toys were sold there, and the child was attracted to see them. He wanted to have the toys, and he said to his parents, "I want that toy." He saw a toy that was very nice, and he desired for it. "I want that toy." But see the reaction of his father and mother students. Listening to his voice, his father was angry upon him, and he looked at him with red eyes. Father looked at him red eyes. He became angry, and mother told the child. Mother said to the child, "Look child, what is before you." Mother said, look child, what is before you." They did not want to purchase that toy, and again they called him, "Come child," and they moved forward. Students, in this way the child was moving towards the fair, and he reached the place where there was a big field, and there were flowers of mustard. Mustard flowers were there. It was a big field. Flowering mustard field was there, and a group of dragonflies were flying over the flowers. Not only dragonflies were there, but butterflies were also there. And the child was fascinated, attracted to see the flowers, mustard flowers, as well as the dragonflies and butterflies. He stayed there, and during that time his parents had gone away. When they saw that the child was fascinated to see the different flowers and butterflies, they called him, "Come child, come." And again the child moved forward. Students, after some time, he listened to the cooing of doves, the sound of doves. He was surprised and he spoke, the dove. He cried, but he could not stay there, and his father and mother were moving forward. He again left that place and moved forward. Since he reached the fair, and he saw that sweet sellers were selling different type of sweets, and they were speaking the names of different sweets. They were saying Rasgulla, Barfi, Jalebi, like these words they were speaking. And students, who have studied that the child liked Barfi. He wanted Barfi, and he also said, I want that Barfi. He said, but his father and mother did not purchase. His desire was unfulfilled. Then he moved forward in the fair. Further he saw that there was a flower seller, and he was selling different garlands made of different flowers. Seeing the garland, he wanted to buy. Flower seller was saying, a garland of Gulmohar, a garland of Gulmohar. The child was attracted to see the colorful garland, and he wanted to have one of them. But he knew that his parents would not purchase for him. So he went forward. Students, in the fair, when he was moving forward, he saw that a balloon seller was selling many colored balloons. Different colors of those balloons were. And he wanted to have, but he did not say to his parents. And he knew that they would not be agree to purchase for it. While he was moving in the fair, students, he saw that there was a snake charmer. He was showing the performance of snake. He stood there for a while, but he saw that his parents had gone away, so he again went back. Anyhow, there was a roundabout at its full swing. The roundabout was moving at its full. It was at its full swing, and when he reached that roundabout, during that time his parents had, but the child did not know this, and he was lost there. He thought that his parents were near him, but they had gone away. The child did not this. So he said, I want to go on the roundabout, please, father, mother. He requested his father and mother to go on that roundabout. But he did not know that his parents were not there. They had gone away. When he moved back, when there was no answer from his parents, he looked back, he found that there was neither father nor mother. Students who have studied how that child was now crying, father, mother, father, mother. Everywhere in the fair he was searching for his parents, but he could not find them. At last, students, he saw that there was a big crowd near the shrine. Shrine means temple, I have told. He went there. He thought that his parents could be there. But it was big crowd and he was a small child. How could he go in that big crowd? Anyhow, he was searching and one time he had fallen down and he was only crying, father, mother. But nobody listened to his cry. Students, fortunately, an unknown person, unfamiliar person listened to his cry. He listened to his cry and he took the child in his arms. You have studied, students. Taking the child in his arms, the unknown person, that was, he was asking the child where he had come from, who were his father and mother. But the child was only crying, father, mother. Then that person wanted to console the child by giving different items that he wanted earlier. He said the child could have barfi or other sweets that he liked. If the child wanted toy, he was ready to give him. If he was ready to go on the, he was ready to take him. But the child was only saying, I want my mother, I want my father. He was only crying and saying these words. Students, the story ends here. Further, what had happened is not given in your book. You have to revise the lesson again and again. Short answer type questions will be asked, like where was the child going with his father and mother? What did he see on the way while he was going to the fair? While he was going to the fair. Or what things the child see in the fair? When was the child lost? Who had consoled the child? An unknown person? Such type of short and type questions we are questioned. And some more questions along with answers I will send you in PDF. Thank you.